Hello, etiquette advocates. Are you ready to sprinkle a little extra grace into your day? Well, today we are diving into the world of dining and uncovering those sneaky little manner missteps that might be hiding in plain sight. So let's polish up our dining habits together. Hello and welcome back to A Dose of Graciousness and Civility. I'm Jules Hurst, etiquette expert and your guide to this fascinating world of modern etiquette. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to stay updated on all of our latest content. And if you're a returning subscriber, well, welcome back. We love having you as part of our community. Number 1. How many of you are guilty of dining with a digital sidekick? Let's remember that dining is prime time for connections. And no, not connecting with your screen, but with those around you. So let's put that phone or that tablet away and enjoy the people that you are with. Remember, no one should ever have to compete with the phone. Number 2, eating a bread roll. Feeling the urge to slice that bread roll like a mini loaf? Well, hold that thought because here's a more elegant way to do this. Gently tear a piece off and butter it one piece at a time. It's all about taking it slow and enjoying each delicious bite one piece at a time. 3, talking with food in your mouth. So has this ever happened to you? The second you take a bite of something, somebody turns around and asks you a question. Well, sometimes some people will do this. They'll put their hand over their mouth, and then as they're chewing, they'll answer the question. But guess what? That's still talking with food in your mouth. So the next time that happens, when you put something in your mouth and somebody turns around and asks you a question, just do this and let them know that you just hold on, chewing. But if this happens and you're chewing and you're chewing and you continue to chew, then that might mean that your bite size is too big. So remember, the next time that you are out with people dining, whether it be for work or for social, your bite sizes should be small enough that you could pop in your food, chew, swallow, and still keep that conversation flowing. To date, we uncovered 3 common table manners to watch out for. Number 1, your smartphones, keeping them away when you're at the dinner table and paying attention to those around you. Number 2, that bread roll, don't slice it up like a mini loaf. Instead, tear, butter, and eat one piece at a time. And number 3, finish what you have in your mouth before you speak. And just like that, you're on your way to shining at a table anywhere. These simple tweaks can elevate your dining experience from good to great, turning those little moments into a dose of graciousness and civility. If you're ready to take your etiquette skills to the next level, then won't you please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss one of our tips. Until our next etiquette adventure, stay gracious and grateful. If you would like to download our guide, 10 Things to Remember at the Dinner Table, the link is in the description below.